Hello, this is a tutorial on 7.1b1. We find the percents of a number more than 100%. And once again, we're going to round to the nearest whole number in this column, the nearest tenth in this column, and the nearest hundredth in this column. So let's get started. We've got an example here. We have 111% of 87. So we're going to move the decimal 2 places. We got 1.11. So let's just put that into the calculator. 1.11, we made it into a decimal. We're going to multiply it times 87. That equals 9657. Now we're looking right here. This is where we're looking. That's the whole number, 96. We look behind it. Is there enough there to call that 96 97? Yes, because remember, if it's 5 or higher, we move it up. If it's 4 or below, we just leave it. It doesn't change. Okay, so let's try another way. So you have 122%, so let's divide by 100. We got 1.22 times 34, so we just make that into a decimal. 1.22 times 34. We got 41.48. 41.48. Again, we're looking at the whole number, so we put the door in there and look behind it. Is there enough to call it 42? No, because it's 4 or below, so we're just going to leave this. So this is just 41. Okay. Here we have 111% of 2,887, so let's just move this 2 decimal point places again. And we've got 1.11. We're going to multiply that times 287, so let's do it. 1.11 times 287 equals 318.57. Let's double check it. Yep, we got 318.57. So we are rounding to the nearest tenth. So we're looking, put in the door there behind, in front of the back of the tenth, and then we look behind it. Is there enough there to call that 318.6? Yes, there is. The 7 is bigger, so this is 318.6. Let's do this one here. Move a 2, make it into a decimal. So we're going to take 1.22. 1.22, we'll multiply that times 374. We get 456.28. 456.28. And again, moving to the nearest tenth, I put my door in there and I kind of look behind it. Is there enough back there to round that to a 3? Yes, there is. 456.3 is my answer. All right. Here we have 115% of 217. Let's move the decimal. Make that into a multiplication sign. So we have 1.15. We're multiplying that times 217. And we got 249.55, which is the correct answer here. We're on to the nearest hundred. So we put our wall in there and we look behind it. Is there anything there? No. So there's our answer right there. Remember, this is round to the nearest hundredth, round to the nearest tenth, round to the nearest percent, if necessary. So let's try this one. See if we have to round. We have 1.52 times 374. So clear that out. 1.52 times 374. This is equals 568.48. Put the door in. Look behind. There's nothing there. We're good. All right. Good luck on this assignment.